Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get started with Trading212. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app after you have downloaded it, and if you don't have an account, which I'm guessing you don't have if you are watching this video, then just have to tap on the open account, and the first step is choosing your country. Based on your location, it should have been already selected the proper country, but if it's not the proper country which is selected right now, you can choose it from this list. Right now I'm in Romania, so it's right. Then tap on next. Then here you can choose your nationality. If you have a dual nationality, you just tap on the dual nationality, and that way you can choose more than one, which is not really important. I think it's just information for them to use. So let's just go next. And here you can type in your name and surname. And after that, you have to add your personal informations, your ID number, and all the details. Since this is a financial institution, they require to have your personal informations regarding taxation and financial details based on your nationality and government details. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.